से आ गए।
हाँ, let's do it to the box opening.
अच्छा हम लोग बता दो कौन है हम लोग? पापा नंदू।
हाँ, all day long we come.
All day long? ये क्या था?
Means हम रात में ही all day long आते हैं। But कभी से तो ना हम ना रात में all day long करना ना नहीं करेंगे वापस से। और
हम लोग कौन है?
पापा नंदू।
पापा नंदू। तो आज हम लोग क्या करेंगे? आज हमारे पास ना 2 पैकेट्स ना और बचे हुए हैं लेगो के, वो हम लोग ओपन करेंगे, उसमें से एक
हाँ, but did you see this paint stamp? This is for our mom. Mom is a painter. Did you see her paint? Did you? आपने ना वो white thing वाला देखा ना? उससे देखिए ना, तो आप मेरा मम्मी का ना हैंड दिख जाएगा।
हाँ, ये पेंटिंग देखने के लिए ना मम्मी के चैनल पे जानी पड़ेगी। यहाँ पे पेंटिंग है, देखो बहुत छोटे छोटे पेंटिंग्स लगे हुए हैं ना।
हाँ, और यहाँ पे भी मैंने ढूंढ लिया।
मम्मी के टेबल पे हम लोग ना ये अनबॉक्सिंग कर रहे हैं।
You mean my table?
My table, yes.
My table.
Yes, your table is. तो आज हमारे पास ये वाली बची हुई है और एक और पैकेट बची हुई है।
I want that.
Sit.
I want to open this one.
But this is not good now.
But this is for a teddy bear.
This is for teddy bear.
Huh?
Okay. So you don't want to open this?
No, I want to open this.
Let's open this. बट ये पता है इसका कलर अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, हम लोग पहले डिस्कस किए थे ना, ये अच्छी कलर नहीं है, थोड़ी डल कलर है।
But मुझे टेडी बेयर अच्छा लगता है।
अच्छा इसकी टेडी बेयर बनानी है क्या?
हाँ।
अच्छा ठीक, मैं थोड़ा सा फाड़ता हूँ, तुम उसको पूरा ओपन कर लेना, ठीक है?
हाँ, हमारे पास ना बुक्स है और ना हम उससे ही ना कुछ करते हैं।
थोड़ी सी।
और ना आइडियाज बनाते हैं।
This part is not opening. I will open this.
And I will get out all the parts. Hey, this is for one teddy bear part.
Teddy bear part, yeah?
Huh?
Okay.
Let's make a teddy bear now. Give me the book.
First, use this green wala.
Hey.
Let's remove this. Let's remove this. Where is your tool? We have a tool.
That was mom giving us these two guys. These are just like coffees. Coffee.
See what Nandu has made. See, look.
This is a race car. मैंने ना अपने ना एक्सकवेटर को तोड़ दिया था ना कुछ तो बना सकूं. And this is the castle.
Castle से बनाया हमने.
And
कैमरा भी हमने बनाया है. See, look.
And a motorbike. I made it
also.
I made it. And this is with mom and me. This is a funny guy now.
Dinosaurs. Looks like a dinosaur, नहीं?
हाँ. And I used some parts for the excavator and broke down it.
Excavator का parts है ना, इसको थोड़ा सा दिखा दो ये. ऐसे करके दिखा दो तुम.
Guys, do you see? अपना.
स्कूटर गिर गई हमारी.
It's just a scooter.
See what we have made this.
This is so funny, no?
हाँ, interesting.
Its head can move.
ये तो निकल ही गया. लॉक करो इसको.
Ah, now it's better. And her head can move. Did you see that? Hey, this is my bike.
It's your bike?
हाँ.
अच्छा ठीक है, इसको हम लोग साइड रखते हैं. साइड रखिए. हाँ ठीक है, साइड रख लो इसको. साइड रखते हैं इसको. इसको तो संभाल के रख दो साइड में. अभी हमें ओपन करनी है ना. Let's use this tool to open. Interesting tool, ना?
Put this part. And that's just but मैंने ना
बैठो आराम से.
पापा ने ना शेक कर दिया Lego figurine जैसा box.
See, this is a tool to open these parts.
This is sometimes get more harder to get out.
Yes. So use this tool.
Okay.
Now build what you want to build.
I want to make a teddy bear. Give me the book.
You want a book?
Yes,
In
this
which-
is it.
किसमें नंबर 1 वाले बुक में नंबर 2 वाले बुक में?
I don't know. They are both are same.
They are both same. Let me find where is teddy bear. Yeah, here it's a teddy bear.
This is
Here is
in
teddy
my
bear.
instruction of teddy bears.
Let's make it. Let make it.
और ना मम्मी ना हमें parts देंगी.
हाँ मम्मी पार्ट.
We need like this part.
Let's wait. Let's.
Mom, give me us this part.
First we want this ना ये वाला 9 वाले pieces बोलो. रुको. 9 वाले pieces ये हैं this one and this one. Lock it. First build this.
Wait. I need one of this like this part.
Oh, you already have.
Huh, I have these numbers.
I'm gonna put this one.
Wait. I need to see how it looks like. Okay, like this. We have already that part, Mom.
We have. I think we have. No, this one. No. This one.
This one.
Yes. Use different color.
Hey, no, I don't want different color.
You don't want different color?
No.
And this one? Use this. We have more this one. See, this is one darker, one lighter. Use now.
No, I don't want these parts.
We have two more to put.
Oh, we need two white parts like red triangle, like these parts, but they need to be white. I'm just showing Mom. Another one. That's come from there.
Then what do you want? Small. This one. This one.
We need to put it over here. This is so crazy. Now we need some.
अभी हमें क्या चाहिए? अभी हमें ऐसी वाली बड़ी वाली चीज चाहिए.
हाँ, Mom, give me us.
इसमें है क्या? इसमें
नहीं है. ये this is white part.
White part.
हाँ.
Yes, we have. See. I think one more we need flat one. Flat white part.
Flat white part slippery.
We can use this one also, na? No. This is not. Yes, we have got it.
This is it.
Mom is helping to find it. See?
Oh, we need like this part. No, not it.
हाँ वहाँ से फिर हम लोग बाद में लगा लेंगे.
Okay, you can break down. Mom just break my.
Dinosaurs.
Her spikes, two of these spikes, Mommy निकाल दी.
धीरे आराम से करो.
This is so beautiful coming out now.
Yes.
Teddy
Now we
bear.
want ऐसा round वाला shape. इसमें है क्या?
Look. Look.
Yes. That's it.
Red वाले part में भी है ये.
हाँ तो यहाँ पे चेक करो यहाँ पे लगाओ. Can we move to next page?
हाँ.
What is next one? Square वाली, 4 pieces वाली. This one I think.
No.
You see that?
Find it.
Yes. Use that. And
Find it.
yeah, good.
मैं नहीं जल्दी find बोल रहा ना.
हाँ.
Look, I told you now this is for a part of the teddy bear.
Yeah.
I was right and that was wrong.
And you use this one also. No?
I don't want different color. I told you.
You told me. And where is the another one? Yes. Then we use the lighter one. This one. Pink color.
Let's change the color to another color.
कैसी हो? Black. next page?
Yes, let's move to the next page.
Then we need to find this one.
I think we have already.
Yes, use that. Use that. Yes.
Now we need like
one.
this part.
Yes, this one.
We need like this part.
Do. See? This is very difficult to open now. So we'll use this one to open.
Hey mom, what we get to do?
ओपन वाला मिलेगा ना ठीक है करो लगा लगा उसको
Now we need a one circle red part. I need a gray one.
and you need eyes वाला भी ना eyes वाला है तुम्हारे पास
हमें ना close eyes. This is it how it looks like. We just off the camera for don't know when we see it.
yeah we have something more to do
We need like this part, mom.
what is to do this okay there is a gift na you use any of the flat one this 669 wala
No, we don't have it.
I think we are having here la use this we have already oh,
मेरे बैग में कैच कर लिया.
use this one and now we need one smaller like this full of part
Let's change her color.
yeah you can use a different color na we have lots of color also other color no see on the corner now you need to use the different color and within that you need to use a different color how can you use that
I think we can use
use that we can make a colorful gift packet
only some sides are not same.
or do
Ortho.
use this one
Let's use the red triangle. Now we
Okay.
need like this part.
this part do we have over here
Let's make it.
no नहीं वो हमारी ऐसे सर्कल हम लोग लगाते हैं बड़े वाले फूल लगाते हैं उसके छोटी है ना हमने बड़ी लगाते हैं इंटरेस्टिंग लगेगी
No, we need like this part.
this part
This cross part.
बट उसके पास ना छोटी जो सब फूल थी ना हमारे पास बड़ी फूल है अच्छी लग रही थी हमें छोटी can we use that
And we need a cross part. We can make it.
cross part where is that cross part
Oh, we can make it.
no we can't make it now do we have a cross part I don't think that we have a cross part
Oh, the pink one packet have it.
ओके पिंक वन पैकेट ना पिंक वन पैकेट अभी मैंने ओपन नहीं किए हैं जब हम ओपन करेंगे ना तब करेंगे फिलहाल के लिए ऐसे ही लगा दो बेस्ट लग रहा है गुड
Hey, I know this parts.
these
These
are
are for windows.
ओके these are the oh no good हो गया I think we have done that see put it over like this
Look, we mix some more colors to the other colors.
ऐसे दिखा दो सबको ऐसा हाथ से दिखा दो
अच्छा है ना?
अच्छा है
This is so cute, teddy
ऐसे हाथ
bear.
कर लो ऐसे हाथ कर लो ओह वाओ अच्छी लग रही है ना
हाँ,
ठीक है चलो
ठीक है. Let's go to the another packet.
अच्छा तो हम लोग ये वाली वीडियो बंद करते हैं और बाय बोलते हैं उसके बाद दूसरी वाली हम लोग वीडियो ओपन करेंगे ठीक है बाय बोल दो सबको
Bye.
बाय फ्रेंड्स हम लोग फिर मिलते हैं दूसरी वाली वीडियो में ठीक है
तब तक मैं ना और कुछ बनाते रहूँगा.
हाँ ठीक है चलो ये वाली तो बहुत अच्छी लगी नंदू ने बनाई है
हाँ.
कि
Instructions से.
इंस्ट्रक्शन से चलो ओके बाय बाय टेक केयर
Bye.